welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to be playing Tower of Misery. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you guys get notified every time I post a brand new video. Talking about that, let's play some Tower of Misery. Hi. Ooh, this is actually pretty colors. Like, it looks like they're all pastel besides the white. Like this top part. If you guys can see. This top part and this bottom part. Hi, well let's play some Tower of Misery. Because who doesn't like to watch people play obbies? I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh my god, this is actually kind of hard, guys. Like, can't touch it. She's doing something. You can't touch it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. 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 Whoa, wait. That was a close one. Oh my god. We're on gray now, guys. Oh my goodness. It just gets harder from here. I almost did that. No! Oh my god, guys, I am so close to always dying. I'm on red. Okay. This is so hard. This is Tower of Misery! So I get why people would be mad at it, but like, I'm like aching and like scared and nervous. I don't know like what I'm feeling right now, but whatever it is, it's a strong feeling. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, OMG. Got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, no! Oh my god, guys. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see where I was? Did you? Like, to just like, have to restart all over again. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god! Guys, this sucks. Did you see how close that thing was, like, winning? Yeah. I was that close. And now I'm all the way back here. This sucks. This literally sucks. Back at this red. This red is probably the hardest color ever because I literally keep on dying. There's no way I'm going to be able to make it. At least I made it to red. Yahoo. It's not that exciting. Because I wanted to make it to green, but every time I try and jump to green, it doesn't work. No. Oh my god, I thought I was about to die there. Oh my goodness. Boom. Boom. Bam. 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 Boom! This is really hard. Like, this is actually hard for me. Ah! I keep on doing that. I literally keep on doing that. This is why it's called Tower of Misery. Like, I get it now. Like, you don't have to explain it. I wish it was a little easier than this, guys. And it's not. It's not easy at all. No! No! Holy moly. This is getting really scary. I hate this right now. I literally hate this. I'm trying to win here. Even though I'm on level 6. Like, I'm not gonna complain. But I'm also gonna complain because they're just lost. Like, I always win, guys. Like, these are some ugly dang colors. Whoa, what's going on? What is this? Um, no! I was on weight games. I'm like a little baby. I'm a baby who cries. Cause, man, at least I'm gonna be by myself. Like, really like nothing, you know? Like, boom. 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 Boom! If you guys don't know, this sucks. Especially because I'm filming. You guys just see my failure. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! 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 How am I supposed to do this? How am I doing this right now? No, like, actually, like... How did I just do that, guys? Yo, you gotta, like, comment down below something like, how did that happen, guys? No! No! The raging at this game, bro. This game level, bro. Like, this is scary. What would you guys do if you literally had to do this? Like, come on, this is really hard for me. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. We're almost at blue, guys. How they hit me? What? Because I'm just gonna do what everybody else does. Now I'm trying to die. Guys, I'm literally on blue. I'm on blue! No! I won. I did it, guys. I just did this like a pro. Guys, OMG. I knew it. I knew I was gonna make it to the winner's room. Okay, but there's this really fun game that I always like to play at the winner's room. You literally have to like step on it. And it's so fun. I don't do anything different than this because this is like the only fun thing. I just got 20 XP. Because I just won. Whoa, 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 whoa. How high can I get, guys? I'm literally at like 55, 56, 57, no, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, no, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. No, 81, 81, 82. I got 82, guys. Yes. Now look, I got 750 coins up in the house. Somebody has a sword. How does that? Okay, these are dark colors now. These are I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like because I'm like a no liker. I don't know what I'm saying. You have a sword, bro. I don't want you to kill me. Just don't kill me. That's the only thing I don't want you to do. Kill me. Because, like, I don't know why I make that noise in my mouth. Okay, well, this is like really. It sounds like I'm saying really. Like, really. Okay. This is like actually like impressing. Like, I'm good at this game. Like, guys, I knew I was gonna win. I knew it by the look of this game. I had some misery in me. I was like mad a little bit because I really thought I wasn't gonna make it because I had like barely any time left to make it. But indeed, Mrs. Dieter. I don't know what I'm saying. But indeed, I did win. I did. This looks like the exact same color. Like, wait, it is? Not. I just couldn't scream, so I decided to do that. I'm doing this at nighttime also, so I can barely see. And like, yeah. You see how dark these colors are? These colors are as dark as, I don't know. These colors are as dark as, lasagna. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I'm so scared I don't want to get out. We made it. We made it. With my screen zoomed out, it helps me, and it made it, so I almost won. I'm literally on this color right now. I want to finish. I want to win twice before this video has to end. And just literally guys, like this video. If you guys think I'm gonna make this. Holy moly. This is really scary. No. Hey.
Are you ready?
Oh. Boom. 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 No! I was almost there. But guys, that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But for now, peace out. Love you guys.